Every year, the world's most famous lottery takes place. It can be the difference between life and death, but many Americans have never heard of it. That's because, in a way, they've already won it. It's called the Diversity Lottery Program. Millions apply to become one of 50,000 people allowed to start lives in the United States. But this year, a government mistake has led to grief and a lawsuit. Channel 8's Chris Hawes has the story tonight.
Ugo Anito grew up in Nigeria, a loyal listener of the Voice of America.
Telling you what happened here, what happened there, this and that.
As a sixth grader, he sent the radio program a letter.
They sent me this map of America with all the illustrations where the Civil War.
At the age of 18, Anito became one of millions of people worldwide to enter the United States annual Diversity Lottery Program. 50,000 names are randomly selected each year and offered the chance to become legal permanent U.S. residents.
If you don't have family here, if you don't have an employer, if you're not persecuted and a refugee or an asylee, this is your shot.
13 times Anito entered.
Giving up is not my thing.
13 times he lost.
Because why would you give up when it costs nothing to play?
Anito eventually came to the University of North Texas to work on his doctorate as a microbiologist. He lived here knowing that at the end of the program, he might have to return to Nigeria. Then, in May, Anito checked the lottery website. He had been chosen.
It was a nice time. I was happy that I won.
That happiness, however, ended less than 2 weeks later.
Apparently there was a computer problem. It wasn't random enough.
We sincerely regret.
Through a web posting and video, the Department of State said a computer glitch meant the lottery had to be invalidated. The 22,000 people selected just 2 weeks before, including Anito, were no longer being offered green cards. Many were crushed, having sold property to ready for their new life in the United States. Anito worries for those fellow immigrants.
They're not asking for anything. The only thing they're asking for is opportunity.
And Anito has joined a lawsuit against the Department of State. A redrawing of that lottery will be held in about 2 weeks. In the Fort Worth newsroom, Chris Hawes, Channel 8 News.